Hey, this is Randy.
And this is Cheyenne.
SantaFeFord.com, the used car supercenter near Gainesville, Florida. I-75 exit 399.
Right now we're going to take a closer look at this 2017 Lincoln MKC. Stay tuned for more details. This 2017 Lincoln MKC has remote keyless entry, tinted windows, alloy wheels, keypad door lock, roof rails, and a spoiler. For more information on this specific vehicle or to view this vehicle's Carfax, remember to visit us online at SantaFeFord.com or give us a call at the number below. Now let's take a quick look at the inside. Here's a quick look at the inside where these seats are tan leather and both the driver and passenger side seats are powered. This vehicle is equipped with powered windows, locks, and mirrors. Here's a look at the dashboard. On the steering wheel there's cruise control, Bluetooth, and media functions, and this vehicle is a push to start. On the LCD touchscreen media center there's AM/FM radio, Sirius XM satellite capabilities, a backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls for both the driver and passenger side seats along with heated seats, a storage compartment that contains USB ports. Now let's take a quick look into the back row. Here's a quick look in the back row. These seats do fold down. Here in the cargo space there are storage compartments on the side panels as well as 12-volt plug-ins and storage under the floorboard. Under the hood is an i4 2.0-liter engine. For more information on this 2017 Lincoln MKC, remember to visit us online at SantaFeFord.com or give us a call at the number below. My name's Cheyenne. Thanks for watching.